Hi guys, this is Chaitra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and in this video I'll be talking about Amazon clothes. I love shopping from Amazon, and also I do get sponsorship from Amazon. I receive their products, so yes, I get to try quite a lot of clothing and accessories from their website. And in this video I'll be talking about all my current picks from Amazon. And guys, all these products are super affordable. I'll try to link everything in the description down below. I'll also add the picture here so you can understand how the product looks and what is the price and everything. So yes guys, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. So guys, starting off with my favorite, these are the basic outfits that I have picked. These are the basic t-shirts, but I'll tell you, this is super pretty. I'm not even kidding. So yes guys, this one is the very first top. As you can see, this is the white crop top, and I love basic, you guys. Even right now I'm wearing this basic tank top. I love basic tops. I mean, you just can't have enough white and blacks in your wardrobe, and you can style it in so many different ways. You can pair it with so many different accessories. You can wear a blazer, jacket, or any bottoms, and you're good to go. So yes, the first one is this top. This is super pretty, and yeah guys, this is super comfortable. This one is my very first pick. This is super comfortable, super breezy, and guys, I'm in the size small. I generally go for extra small, but extra small was not available for this product, so yes. See all the price details here, and as already mentioned, I'll link every product in the description down below. Guys, the prices may vary because I shopped this 2 weeks back, and if you go and check now, there might be slight difference. So yeah, that's there. Let's move on to our next product, which is this top is my favorite. You might feel that, oh, this is so basic, then why is this my favorite top? I'll show you why. So this has this amazing, oh my god, so this has this sexy back. I'll insert the picture here so you'll get an idea. This is so pretty. I love the bag. So yes guys, this is how it looks. I love this color. This is fuchsia pink, and yeah, this looks so good. The back is super sexy, as you can see, and you can also tie a knot in front. You can just play around with the knot thing. It is super versatile. You can pair it with your denims and white sneakers, and you're good to go. Like, this top is so basic yet so elegant. I love this one, and guys, there were so many different colors available, but I wanted to get my hands on this fuchsia pink. So yes, and I'm in the size small. Again, I couldn't get extra small because it was not available, but yes, this fits me really well because it has this tie-up thing, so I can adjust accordingly. So yes, that's it, and the MRP is for rupees 1299. Yeah, 1299, but the actual price will be mentioned here, so please go and check that out. The next product is from my favorite brand, Illy London. This brand is available everywhere. I mean, it's also available on Flipkart and on Amazon as well. They have some pretty trendy stuff. After Shein, I totally rely on this brand. Like, I'm not even kidding. You should just go and check their collection. They have super trendy dresses, tops, and everything. So yeah guys, this is how the top looks. This is so cute, you guys. You'll get to see it in the picture, so yes, don't worry about that. So this is how the top looks. This is in the shade baby pink, and yeah, this is so pretty. This looks amazing. You can wear your favorite accessories and you're good to go. I wore this on my hair transformation video. I wore like a silver earring and silver neck piece. It looked really good, and I paired it with my ripped denim jeans. And yes, that's how you can style this top. This is how it looks from back. It is pretty plain, but you can see it has this puffy kind of sleeve. Not exactly puffy, like I have one more top. It is super puffy, and I love those sleeves. Yes, this is how it looks. So guys, the next top is also from the brand Illy London. I have already mentioned that I love this brand, so I just couldn't stop myself from picking stuff from the same brand. So yes, this one is the second top, and this has this puffy sleeve, and guys, I love this color. This color is my favorite. This is basically powder blue. I'm not really sure. This is a mixture of teal and powder blue, I feel. So yes, look at this sleeve. It is super fancy. I used to get this on Shein, and I'm so glad that you can find everything on Amazon now. So yes, this is how the sleeve looks. This is super comfortable, and yeah, again, I'm in the size small. Again, I couldn't find extra small. I guess there is some problem with Amazon. I can never find my extra small clothes, but anyways, even this fit me really well. And yeah, you can pair it with the skirt. I wore this on my Instagram post, and you guys seem to love it. I wore this with a pleated skirt, and it looked really amazing. So yes, this is how the top looks. Next we have this yellow top. It's the off-shoulder top. So guys, this is from the brand called Veni Vidi Vici. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this is quite famous on Amazon. Even you can get trendy stuff from this particular brand. So yes, this is how the crop top looks. I'll insert the picture here so you can just check that out. So yeah guys, this is pretty simple but it's really cute. I wore this with the white tennis skirt and it looked so pretty. And this is how the top looks, pretty basic but super classy. Then we have this top from the brand called, let me just check. This is from the brand called iStyle Can. Okay, this is super pretty and I'll just adjust my light. So this is how the top looks. This has this bow kind of thing here. If you want, you can leave it as it is or just try a cute little bow. Neck is pretty much deep, so you can wear a tank top if you're not comfortable or tube top and you're good to go. This actually gives like a 80s 70s kind of vibe. This is super cute. I know I have said this a million times, but I seriously can't help it because for me Amazon is the new Shein and I love shopping from Amazon. Whenever I receive stuff from Amazon, I get super excited because they have so many varieties. You can look for so many different products. You can pair it with your denim or any skirt. It will look great with that. So guys, moving on to our last pair of clothing. This is one of my favorite. I mean, I genuinely love all the products, but this one you should definitely have a look at this. So yes, this is the cord set. I remember shopping cord set from Shein, but now we have everything on Amazon. This is super cute, you guys. I know I'm obsessed with polka dots. I recently purchased 3 polka dots from different websites, but again we have this polka dot thing. I love it, guys. I just can't help it. So if you see me wearing polka dot more often, please spare me because it's just the obsession and it's gonna last for like few weeks. I don't know. So yes, this is the top. This is super cute. You can pair this with so many different outfits. You can wear white skirt, denim skirt, tennis skirt. It would look amazing. And then we have this skirt right here. This has this long, pretty long skirt. You obviously can't see this because it won't fit in my camera, but yeah, this is super long. It has this pretty long slit, so if you're not comfortable, you can just pin it here or just stitch it and you're good to go. So yeah, this is how the outfit looks. I'll insert the picture here so you can just check that. And guys, this one is so pretty, so amazing. I mean, look at this length. Guys, this one is an extra small. I'm so glad that I could finally get something in extra small, but anyways, everything fits me perfectly. So yeah, this is the outfit. This one is the last outfit. So this is the cord set. This was super affordable. This one was available in different colors. Like all the outfits that I have purchased were available on different colors, so you can just go and check that. So yes guys, that's about this outfit. I'm obsessed with this. I'm super excited to style this in so many different ways. You might also see a styling video on Instagram, so yes, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so let's move on to jewelries. I have received a couple of jewelries from Amazon and I'll show it to you all one by one. This one is the layered neck piece and this is so in trend. You might get this for 400-500 rupees on other website, but I got this just for rupees 195 or 199 if I'm not wrong. I'll mention the price details here, so please check that. So yeah, this looks really pretty, really elegant, and guys, I love styling it with so many different outfits. These days I'm super obsessed with jewelries. I remember I never wore jewelries before, but recently I just can't help it. I wear jewelries on an everyday basis and the quality is pretty amazing. I mean, it won't oxidize or it won't fade away. The color is gonna be the same even if you use for 10 times or 15 times. Just make sure that you are keeping it in a very secure place. Use the packet that you received with this necklace and you're good to go. And yes, this is how it looks. This is super pretty and I love this. The second jewelry is from Jewel Galaxy. They have this set of jewelries. They have this set of jewelries. They have this earring. They also have 2 stud earrings, and we have this pretty hairpin which has pearl in it. Also had this earring which I'm wearing right now. It has this chain, so it came in a combo and it was under rupees 200 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this is how the chain looks. This is such a cute dainty piece, you guys. You can pair this with every outfit. So if you're someone who don't like to wear heavy jewelry, you can try this. You're getting 4 earrings, 1 hairpin and this jewelry. What else do you need? That's the reason why I mentioned that Amazon is the new Shein, because you're getting such beautiful items at affordable price. So yes, this was the second jewelry. Moving on to our third neck piece. One is the third neck piece. I'll just show you how it looks. Even this one is the layered neck piece. As already mentioned, I'm obsessed with jewelry, so I basically tend to buy more and more jewelries, and I look for layered neck piece because it looks really elegant and you don't need anything else. You can just wear your basic outfit and you're good to go. Layered neck piece are really very easy to style. So this is how the chain looks. This a little heart, then we have a moon right here, and then we have this coin kind of thing. This is super pretty and elegant. I love styling this with so many different looks. You can always go with your basic and add these jewelry and you're good to go. This kind of piece will add drama to your look, which I totally love. So I think you should definitely invest in something like this. Lastly, we have some hair accessories. We have a hairband and then we also have a hair clip. Guys, you know that I film a lot of Instagram videos, so for Instagram I need such cute stuff. I'm not that into hairband, but these days I'm loving all the accessories. So yes, this is how the hairband looks, and yeah, you can pair it with so many different outfits. You can wear this with any party outfit. It looks super classy and yes, super cute. This rubber band was so on trend, so I thought I'll just give it a try and let's see how this looks. But this looks super cool and I think I'm gonna pull it off really well. This is in the color gold. You can even go for black or white. They had so many color options, but I wanted to try something different. So yes, that's about it. Moving on to our last accessory, which is the hair clip. Guys, this one is my favorite. I know I have said this a million times. These hair clips are so in trend. I saw them on Pinterest and then I saw them on Amazon. So I had to get my hands on them because this says Star and Boss. Oh my god. I love such cute pins. This look really amazing. So you just have to wear it like you usually wear your hairpin and you're good to go. So yeah, this says Boss. As you can see, I might look funny right now, but please ignore that. Just enjoy the video. Generally, this is how you wear it, but just to show you, I'll wear this one as well so you'll get an idea how this looks. Just give me a second. So yeah. You have to wear this on the other side, but it's okay. This one is the Star one and this one is the Boss one. This looks so cute, and guys, this is really very trending, and if you like hair accessory, you should definitely go and check this out. You guys will see me wear this on Instagram quite often because I have planned to create some looks out of these. So yes, stay tuned for that. That's it for today's video. I have covered almost everything, and if you want me to review more such products, you can let me know which website you want me to try. I'll surely come up with more haul videos for you all. And yes, I have colored my hair. I guess you have seen my hair transformation video. If not, then don't worry, I'll link it down here, so please go and check that out. I'm in love with this look. I'm like super obsessed. I'm just trying to wear all neutral outfits so my hair color pops up a bit. That's just me. I do that whenever I color my hair. So after 1 week, I'm back to normal. I'll move on to more colorful clothes. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful, and yes, you can let me know what is your favorite pick from the haul video. I definitely love the cord set and the Star Boss clip. I love them. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.